Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to give you 3 secrets yet effective study tips which should help you to score highest in your exams. And I can assure you that if you follow these 3 tips you can be one of the toppers. But remember friends, you need to follow this persistently and dedicatedly. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's session. Our first secret tip is solve sample papers in a stipulated time period. This tip is the most powerful one. Exams have always been very stressful for all students, but you can decrease your exhaustion if you solve more and more sample papers and also previous year's question papers. Frequent revision with sample papers or previous year question papers are extremely important for students. For finishing your syllabus, you must solve at least 2 to 3 sample papers a day. And very important thing friends, please try to solve at least one sample paper in a specified time period. It will progress your question solving speed and accuracy. But remember friends, it should be solved with extreme seriousness, and there you will come to know about your strong and weak areas. Now there are few significant points that you need to keep in your mind before attempting any sample paper. First, sit at a quiet place. Then, set a timer and solve question paper as if you are solving it in your exam. After that, after solving question paper, check it strictly and also give it someone for checking. Then, have a healthy competition with your friend and check your paper with your friends. After that, you analyze your mistake and improve upon them. Let's see the second tip, follow proper study routine. Consistency is the key, and once you start getting into good study habits, it will become a routine. Some of you may think that if you study one day before your exam, then you can score good marks in your exams. If you want to be one of the toppers, then you have to make a proper study routine. The study routine should be a part of our daily routine. It helps us in achieving our desired goals. A perfect study routine plan can help us get through the exams. It increases study productivity, which indirectly helps us to achieve better results. It helps us in tackling time management, which is very much crucial. So now you see that a perfect daily routine has many benefits. So why don't you set your perfect study routine? For every 50 to 60 minutes time, plan at least 10 to 15 minutes break. When taking a break, get a snack as energy booster. Be active and take a short walk or listen to few of your favorite songs. So this way you can schedule your daily routine. Now coming to the last one, study through notes. This tip is equally powerful just as first and the second tip. Exam preparations are quite stressful. It's also not possible to cover everything when the preparation time is short, right? For effective study, you must filter out the important topics and summarize key points on a notebook to cover the mass amount of information within short duration. Note-making strategy is always better as you can get everything to learn at a single place and study efficiently with the quick methods. Every student has different styles of learning. Some students note down everything they read and some keep their writing things very short and simple. But what is the correct method to create effective notes during exam preparation? Basically, there are 3 resources from which you can make your notes. 1. Classroom notes. 2. Main book notes. 3. Reference book notes. Now how to make effective notes making techniques. Write down the most important points. No need to write everything in details. Then avoid writing in paragraphs. Then write down the important headings or one or two sentences. Next point is make your own notes. Try to make your own notes with your own handwriting. That will be easy for you to understand as well as to revise whatever you have gone through. While making your own notes, try to write everything in systematic format. Headings, subheadings and all the points under subheadings. Together, also try to put all the topics of one chapter at one place. Also use highlighter. Important should be marked with the highlighter while going through the lines. As you are going to use this just before your exams, so make sure that whatever you are writing should be correct. You know how lengthy and boring explanations can be. So what you can do is prepare a tree diagram which will help you to shorten the topic and you will remember it for a long period. Remember one thing friends, getting first is not important. The important thing is that you gave your 100%. As we all know that there is no secret to success. It is result of preparation, hard work and learning from failures. And that's it my friends. I hope you find these tips very useful and all the best for your exams. And thanks for watching.